My dear children, today Grandpa has discovered something unbelievable. An AI that creates unlimited music and is completely free to use. And here is a sample of the music I created using this AI for free.
Every time the world said no, he reached for the skies. Worked through the night while the whole town slept. And on the vision said he'd never rise, but he can't.
All you need is a simple idea, and the AI can generate a complete song in seconds. And in this video, I will demonstrate the complete process, and together we will verify whether this AI can produce really good quality music or not. So, without wasting any time, let's go straight to the computer screen. First, go to Google and type Treblo AI, and click the first search result to go to official Treblo AI. Now, using this AI, we will generate unlimited free AI music, and no software is needed. To use this AI, first you need to sign up. I will click Login as I have already signed up for this platform. Now I will click Login with Google. Once your account is ready, it's time to generate your first AI music. To generate AI music, first click on Advanced, and here you'll see a section where you can enter your song lyrics. But don't worry, my dear children. We'll use ChatGPT to get our song lyrics and then generate viral songs. Here I have created a prompt to create song lyrics in a notepad file. I will copy this prompt and then go to ChatGPT and paste the copied prompt, and then click the Generate button. Now you can see my song lyrics are ready. I will copy these lyrics and then come back to Treblo AI and paste the lyrics into the lyrics box. Now the next step is to give at least 3 tags for the AI song you want to create. For this, I will go to ChatGPT again, and here you can take inspiration from the tags suggested by ChatGPT. Now I'll come back to Treblo, and here I will enter the tags for the song lyrics. Once the tags are entered, the last step is to click the Generate button. Now your AI music is being generated. And there you go. Your AI music is ready. Let's play them one by one.
Born with nothing but a dream inside his chest. Empty pockets, broken shoes, but fire in his eyes. Every time the world said no, he reached for the skies. Worked through the night while the whole town slept. They laughed at his vision, said he'd never rise. But he carried every promise, every burden kept. Stormy.
Born with nothing but a dream inside his chest. Empty pockets, broken shoes, but fire in his eyes. Every time the world said no, he reached for the skies. Worked through the night while the whole town slept. And on the vision said he'd never rise, but he can't.
Now, comment below and let me know which song you like the most. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe your grandpa for more such AI videos. Okay, take care, my dear children. See you in the next video.